Yo, good day, yo, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how you can make an application with your smartphone and also on how you can earn with it with just your smartphone. So please, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell icon and like the video and comment if you like this video. So please, before I start this tutorial, please, I want you to do that now to support my channel. So let's get things started now. So first of all, you go to your browser and you go to the link. This link I'll be typing for you is an online app creation link, which is app creator 24.com. So you open this link. So I already had an account. If you don't have an account, you can just sign up, as you could see. So I already have an account, so I'm gonna just open up. So I've been using this when I started my app development when I was still a little. So I created an app for a lot of people. So that's not what I'm talking about here. So I'll be showing you guys on how you can create your own app with your smartphone with the appcreator24.com. So after you open the account, there won't be all this shit here. Sorry for saying that. There won't be all this in this place. So you just come to this place and create your app. So you click on the create app icon. So after you can zoom in, then you name your app. It's been a while I use this app, but because I'm just making this video because of you all, because I notice there are a lot of people who don't know how to create an app with their smartphone, so I decided to make this video for them. So first of all, we name the app. So let's just name it sample app. Sample app. And let's choose an image. You have to do all this, you have to follow all these steps. So you can either use the default image there, or you can choose yours from gallery. So I decided to use their image here. So then let's just give the app a description. So this is a simple a sample app made by Night Code. Yeah, so as you can see, you first of all you had your app name. Secondly, you choose an image, the correct icon, so you click on choose file. Then thirdly, you had the app description, so you click next. So we can choose any color you want here, either the blue, red, green, or orange. So I just decided to choose the black, so the black icon. So then click next. So in this video, I'll be just showing on how to make a simple web view app. So we'll be clicking on the web app. So then we can add our title. Let's name it Night Code. Then for the URL, you can just copy any URL. So let me use my website. So let me use my website link. So as you can see, so you copy your any website. Maybe you can use your website or any website you want. It could be Google or Facebook or anyone you like. So I'll be using my for this tutorial. So then we go to the app creator 24. Then sorry, I have to sharply type this again. Sample app we used. No, so choose file. That was choose gallery. So but I told you I'm using choose gallery here. So then you can just this is a sample app by Nightcode. So you can, I hope you won't make any mistakes. So I choose black. Then we're making a web app, so let's name this Nightcode. Then we just copy the link, so I'm pasting my website URL. Then we click the next. So then after you click go to app manager, so this is it. So after you click on that, then you go to the general info, then you click on the name, the general. So this is what you typed. This is my sample app, so we can just leave this. Then we come to name and icon, so we can just turn this to 1.0, or you can leave it as default. Then we click save. Then always don't forget to click OK. So after you save, you click OK. So for the launch app, we can type welcome to sample app. So we put welcome message, or we just leave that. So then we click save. Then after, we can go to the next one, which says the design. So we click on the design, the color. Please don't skip any of these steps as I am showing you. So we click on the design, we click on the color. Let me zoom in for you. So you can use any of this design you want. So for the color, you can use any of this color, but I choose black as I told you. Then we go to the menu type. So you must always go to this menu type if you don't want your app to look anyhow. So you click on the sliding menu, then click save. So then for the main icon, you click on the main icon. So you can leave it as this, or you choose your own file. Then you move on. For this, you leave all this. Then for the loading image, you can leave it as this. Then that's it. So we can go to the section now, and for the section, you will get all what you put in the sliding image. So we can just create one more section, the web view. Then we can put Google, then we put the google.com http column / google.com. Oops. So / google.com. Yeah, so we click save. Yeah, so for more details, so we can still click on this. Then we can still click on this pencil icon. Then we can go to the advanced settings. So you see the advanced settings, then click on the advanced settings. Yeah, so you'll see some stuff like the show menu, yes, open link instantly. So if you want to open the link externally, you can click here. So for that, we're clicking no. So to enable to download, you can click yes if you want your app to download. Maybe you have any stuff like downloading music, so you can add that. Allow to zoom, you can leave or add that. So I'm remove that. So pull to refresh, you can enable that. Then show loader, you can remove that if you want, but I remove it. So and for the message, so that's also, yeah, for the required to watch video, that's for the AdMob reward video, that's the ads. If you want that, we can just leave it. You can add yes, or we had no, any of them. So then after, don't forget to always save as I told you. So you save. So yeah, that's done. So we are almost done with this video, so don't be tired. Yeah, so the next thing you do is click on ads as I did, so it will bring you to this icon. So yeah, so this how you can earn with this app. As I said, so there are different advertisements you can place in your application. We can place for this tutorial, for this app creator 24, they gave you different chances. You can place the AdMob ads, the AppNest ads, the Facebook ads, and the startup ads. So for this tutorial, I will only be showing you the AdMob ads, because AdMob ads is one of the best ads in the world. It's the top one, and it will still be the top one, as I know. So that's it. So let me refresh this for you. So we click on the ads, as I said, click on the ads, so it's there. So then for this tutorial, I won't be using my own ad unit for banner, so I'll be using the test. So if you have created an AdMob account, you have to place your ad units here. For the banner, you place it here. For the Facebook, if you are into the Facebook, and if you're into startup ads, you place it there. So I'll be placing the one for the Google AdMob, which is the banner. So in this developer of Google, these are the test ads that I'll be using, as you can see. So I'll be copying the one for banner. This is a test as not real hard unit. So if you have an AdMob account, you use your real hard units, as I said earlier. So we copy this, then I go back to the app creator, then then we go to the ads. Then for the banner, as I copied, as I said earlier, it's for the banner, so we paste. So the main stuff you must know, you must choose bottom. It must be normal if you want, or it could be large. So I'm choosing the normal, so I will click save first of all, then it is saved. So we are going back there in the ads, then we are going for the interstitial. So we go and copy the tests. As I said, if you have opened your AdMob account, you have to use your real ad unit, not the test ad. So I'll copy the one for the interstitial and copy. So also, after doing this, I don't know why the site is always refreshing all the time. So as you can see, the banner ads is still saved there, the test. So I'm pasting the one for the interstitial. So the main reason, so for this interstitial, they give you different interstitial frequency. So you can choose show on every page or show on every 4 page. So I'll be choosing show on every 3 pages. So that means that once you click on the button 3 times, it shows the ads in interstitial full ads. So I click save. So that's it. And for the last and not the least, which is the reward ads, as I enabled earlier, so we are going to be going to the reward video ads. So so we come here and sign off my touch. So we copy the reward video. We copy the reward video. So we copy this, then we go back to the app creator 24, then we save this. So we go to the ads, as I said, click on the ads, and we go to the reward and we paste this. So I will only show only once, so I can show always or show only once. So I'll be showing only once, so I click save.
Now, so far so good. We are done with the creation of the app. If you followed all the steps I showed you guys, I'm sure you should be able to create the app as I did. So now let's download this app, our app we created. So we click download, then we download. Please, if you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification and bell icon to get notified. So let's open our downloaded app. So we're installing the app. So let's open our app. As you can see, this splash screen, and this is the app. So as you can see, the test ads is showing perfectly. Then on click, you can swipe to the side and click on the night code. It shows us our interceptor ads. So you can see that everything is running perfectly. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Please, if you found this, as I said, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to get notified on every videos we post. We'll be posting videos concerning Android Studios and concerning topics and something related to this aspect. So please share this video if you found it helpful, and if you have any difficulties, you are free to comment below. Stay blessed and peace out.